North Adelaide. See what it's like. Oh, we have to get out at level 1 to get to the guest rooms. Because I think it said you have to walk to get to the I think it said there were only stairs to the rooms or something.
No, we want to see
Oh,
that
no.
floor. Yes, yes, yes.
Well,
I
hang
was
on.
reading that.
But she said we were 115.
You said we were on the same floor, didn't you?
Well, that's what she said, and then she said 115. So, oh well, she was of people who call the bottom floor 1, I think. So this is lobby here, looking out onto Melbourne Street. Here. At least we're not directly opposite the lift or something. Five would seem to be us. Okay. Oh my goodness, it's one of those. Oh no, that's meant to be a balcony, I think. Thought it was one of those that had a bathroom that's got a see-through door, but I think that's meant to be a balcony. Ouch. Do you want to come in? Hang on. Oh, that's a strange little place. Stained carpet. Lots of stains in the carpet. It's definitely not new. Big bed. Well, it's a king split, so it won't be. It's like twin beds. They just couldn't be bothered to split them. But it's meant to be art hotel, so that's. Here's the balcony as such, which overlooks the car park. Lovely view. Got a lovely view from your balcony. It's very tiny, isn't it? Anyway, it was the cheapest. Cheapest room in Adelaide tonight, as it happened. Got a safe, a fridge. Oh, you got bowls.
Break 'em.
You got bowls.
No biscuits. Oh, brown coffee. I don't know if that can fit. Well, would fit there.
That's
You
right.
don't go around. You could put it
Is
on
there a
the
light in here anywhere? Yeah, it's just the air conditioning one. It's functional but small. But we've probably had. Oh, there's actually a little chair. There's actually a little chair tucked underneath there that you can pull out.
Yes, I saw the chair. I was going to pull it out thinking that might be more space to put things.